I watched a robin on this log yesterday. It must be full of grubs. I watched a robin pull out a stomach-filling grub for a robin. I'm not sure what the magpie is going to get. I'm videoing, that's why I'm talking. You think I'm talking to you? I'm not talking to you.
Good. Thank heavens for that.
He's really going for it. You see?
Oh, yeah. Oh, nice woodpecker.
Yeah. There's not a bad picture through this window. I'm just loath to move any closer because...
Yeah, well, woodpeckers are very nervous.
Oh, gone. That's you what frightened him, I bet.
What, talking?
Yeah.